The HP 15 FD0105TU is a sleek and powerful 15.6-inch laptop that optimizes performance and portability. The 15.6 inches FHD Micro Edge display, which has an anti-glare coating and a 45% NTSC color gamut, produces beautiful images at 250 nits brightness. This HP laptop is powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i5-1335U processor and can reach speeds of up to 4.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. It also has 8 GB of DDR4 to 3200 MHz RAM and a fast 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. The laptop remains compact, measuring 35.98 by 23.6 by 1.86 cm and weighing only 1.59 kg. It runs on Windows 11 Home Single Language and has an easy-to-use interface. Realtek Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity options are available, and the port variety, which includes USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and others, adds versatility. The full-size soft grey keyboard with numeric keypad, HP True Vision 720p HD camera, and 2 speakers all add to the entire multimedia experience. The HP 15 FD0105TU Core i5 13th Gen 15.6 inches FHD laptop has a 3-cell, 41 Wh Li-ion polymer battery that supports quick charging, providing up to 7 hours and 45 minutes of use. Security features such as the microphone mute key, camera privacy shutter, and trusted platform module, firmware TPM, offer peace of mind. The laptop is not just powerful but also environmentally responsible, with EPEAT Gold certification and sustainable impact elements like ocean-bound plastic in speaker enclosures and post-consumer recycled plastic in keyboard keycaps and scissors.